Hello, and welcome to Swinging for Profits. Today is Thursday, August 14th. Let's take a review on what's been going on the past couple of days here. We're still in our DIA trade and IWM trade. As you can see yesterday, it just looked really bad yesterday morning. I think it opened up the Dow down 230, 40 points to rally throughout the day to close back almost a little higher, not much, but closing at 17,354 yesterday. Today it looked really strong until some retail numbers came out. It started to trend a little bit lower after the open. We made a low of 17,291. Came back up, made a high late in the afternoon. 17,436. We closed the day out at 17,361. Once again, just up marginal for the day. As you can see, after hours here, it's down about 15 points. But let's go back a couple days here to what happened on Wednesday. You see this low. Once again, we're back here into lows that we haven't seen since February. Monster volume today, so you know there was some stop losses along this way that got picked up yesterday. To make that kind of move up, close up that high after being down that much, that says something. Read a report, someone said that the market's finally found some support. Okay, yeah. I'll agree with that. Today we had a little bit follow through. Like you said, we see a nice higher high. Volume average, moderate. Would have liked to stick a little bit higher, but we'll take it for now. Once again, we're trying to get back up and to see if the markets can make it back up to the 17,700, which realistically, that's a 350 point move. We've got the fourth week, last week of August, fourth week, weekly option. We're trading the DIA. We have a 178. So let's get over to the DIAs and see. This high made back here on 731, 177.73. As you've seen in my last video here on August 10th, that was a really nice move up. We've had a couple down days since then. Realistically, we're talking $3.50 move. I got the rest of I got tomorrow and the rest of next week. Want to see the market keep making some higher highs. Seen something about the good old death cross today, 50 crossing the 200. My take on it, so what? I want to go back here, point something out. Everybody's been talking about a market correction. I know I brought this back up in my last video, but I'm going to do it again here. Market correction is technically defined by a drop of 10%. On 9/19 of 2014, we got an 8.6% drop. That is pretty daggone close to the 10%. Normally, after you see a correction of this sort, you will see a period of consolidation. In my opinion, and I'm sure a bunch of others out there, that from the 183.35 range all the way to 170.10, we have an area of consolidation going on here. The 50 crossing the 200, I'll sit, so what? I really like how this market is shaking up. I like this area here. To me, this all points on shakeouts. We had the nice volume the other day to rebound up. We had a higher high, higher low today. Closed up for the day. Not as much as I would have liked it, but we will see what the next couple days bring. We want to see if we can get past this high from the other day of 176.32. Then we'll see what happens into the 177 range. We are still in the IWM trade. Pretty much the same as what's going on. We'll point out again here what happened with the IWM last year. You know, 10% is what they are calling for a correction. 9.3 to 10.15, we had a 10.98% move in the market. 11%. That, my friends, is a correction as well. Once again, after a correction, we are going to see an area of consolidation. We have it here. From the low of 113.03 to 129.10, this has been consolidating. You know, same thing. We've got a 123.50. We're looking to see to challenge these areas here. You know, next step is going to be the high that it made the other day, 121.52. You know, seeing what we see here, I don't see there's any reason why middle of next week we should at least be up to the 122.50 areas. So it's still shaping up, looking good. We'll take a quick look at the Qs. You know, they have not been as weak. We did get that gap fill I was looking for. I like that. I do want to see another little secondary shakeout here. You know, rally up, come back down, retest this low again before I think about getting into this trade. Like I said, I think the NASDAQ has been the strongest of them all. I will look for a little shakeout in this thing again after a little bit of a rally before I want to start going long here. So it's going to be an interesting next couple of days. Hopefully the news lays off here and we start to get some good news so these markets can rally back up and see if we can make a little bit of a profit here. Just want to take the time to say thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my service here, and be on the lookout. I'm going to do a 3-part series here on some trading strategies that I use. Hopefully you guys can implement them as well into your swing trading systems. Help you get some little profits along the way. Thanks for watching.